to continue working in our brand new unit. Say brand new unit.
Brand new unit.
What country are we learning about throughout this unit? Oh, I see lots of strong side hands. Let me see all of them. You're thinking. What country are we learning about, Justice?
We're learning about Peru.
Oh, I love how she gave me a complete sentence. She said, we are learning about Peru. We are learning about
Peru.
Oh, think. What continent can I find Peru in? If I were to look at a map and I was looking for Peru, what continent would it be on? Deja.
Peru is in South America.
Excellent. Peru is in South America. Let's give Justice 2 claps. Let's give Deja 2 claps. Today we're going to read another text in this unit. And what country are we learning about?
Peru.
So if I'm learning new facts or new information about the country Peru, what genre is this text? What genre is this text? Jeffrey.
Non-fiction.
Give me a complete sentence.
The genre is non-fiction.
Agree, disagree. How do you know? How do you know? Jeffrey, choose a friend. How do you know? Quick.
Keon. I know because non-fiction teaches you.
Teaches you.
New information.
Excellent. Give them 2 claps. Give Jeffrey 2 claps. Track the board. You ready, Kamari? Our purpose for reading today is this. I want to be able to answer these 2 questions. Say these 2 questions.
These 2 questions.
Listen, here's the first question. What is the point? Say, what is the point?
What is the point?
What reasons does the author give to support the point? Say, support the point.
Support the point.
This is the chart that we're going to use to help organize our thoughts. As we read today, we are thinking, what is the
point?
Turn to the person next to you and say, what's the point?
What's the
To
point?
the other person, say, what's the point?
What's the point?
When authors write, they write for a reason. They don't just write just because. They want their readers to learn something. They want their readers to walk away with the point. Right, Mila?
Right.
Let me show you what I mean. Because when I said what's the point, that's the same as saying the main topic. And we've talked about this before, yes?
Yes.
Yes. The main topic is what that section is.
All about.
That's the same thing as saying what is the
Point.
So if I'm looking for the reasons the author wrote that point, that's the same thing as saying the key what?
Detail.
Let me show you exactly what I mean. Here's my first page. I noticed there are lots of text features on this page. Who can tell me a text feature they noticed on this page? Ronald. What is this text feature called?
A heading.
Excellent. It's the heading. Good. Who notices another text feature on this page? Chrysalis.
I noticed the photograph.
The photograph. Say the photograph.
The photograph.
I noticed one more text feature on this. Actually, 2 more text features on this page. Who could tell me one? Patience.
Caption.
The caption. Say the caption.
The caption.
One more. Jeremy.
The text.
The text. Say the text.
The text.
Now I know last week we were using the the text features in isolation. Today I'm going to use them all together. So I'm going to use the heading. I'm going to use the photograph. I'm going to use the captions, and I'm going to use the text to help my brain figure out the
Point.
Yes. Who remember that? If you remember that, kiss your brain. Because I'm using all of these things to help me figure out the
Point.
Watch me. Here's the heading. You ready, Deja? Plants and animals. I noticed in the photograph, there's a photograph of a plant. So that's already getting my brain ready to think, maybe I'm going to be learning some information about plants and animals that live in
Peru.
Listen, different kinds of plants and animals live in the different regions of Peru. Many plants and animals live in the tropical rainforest. Others live in the mountain highlands or along the coast of the Pacific Ocean. The plants and animals of Peru are suited to their habitats or the natural places where they live. Here's my caption. Palm plants grow along the coast of Peru. So this is giving me a specific type of plant that I can find in Peru. Let's go down to the text. Life with llamas. Llamas are important animals in Peru. Ancient Andes people tamed llamas about 5,000 years ago. Since then, highlanders have used llamas to carry supplies to and from the mountains. They make clothing and blankets from the fleece or wool of the llamas and burn dry llama droppings for fuel. Highlanders also use llamas as a source of food. Here's another photograph of a llama. So now I'm going to ask myself as the reader, Desiree, what was the point? What was the main idea or the main topic? What was this all about? Why did the author write this page? I noticed the heading says plants and animals. My turn. I noticed that there's a photograph of a plant and a photograph of an animal. All of the information that I learned was about plants and animals. I think the point was to teach me about plants and animals that live where?
In Peru.
Watch. The point is for me to learn more information about plants and animals that live where?
In Peru.
Now notice something. I could have just said plants and animals that live in Peru, but would that have been a second grade response?
No.
No, second graders use complete sentences. They use complete
Sentences.
Now I'm thinking, what reasons did the author give to support that point? Or another way of asking that, Deja, is what key details did the author give to support their main topic? I'm going back to the text because a good reader is not expected to memorize everything. A good reader is expected to use their resources, to use their
Resources.
Well, I learned that from this photograph and this caption that palm plants grow along the coast of Peru. So palm plant is a type of plant that I can find in what country?
Peru.
I'm going to write that. Palm plants grow in Peru. I think you get the idea. It's your turn. Say it's my turn.
It's my turn.
Can you help me?
Yes.
Dylan, can you help me?
Yes.
Okay, great. Because we're going to go to a different page. And we're going to use the text features on that page so we can do this together. So we can do this
Together.
Here we go. Here's the heading. Who can read the heading for me? Because you're doing this with me. I need your help. Mila, read the heading for me.
Peru's cities.
Excellent. Peru's cities. Now I'm going to use the photographs. I see a photograph of a
City.
I see another photograph of a
City.
And both of these cities are in what country?
Peru.
Great. Now, as I read, you're thinking in your brain, what is the
Point.
Good, Jayla. What is the
Point.
Keep that in your brain. Say, keep that in your brain.
Keep that in your brain.
Here we go. Most Peruvians live in cities on the coast of the Pacific Ocean. Peruvians is what they call the people of Peru. We live in America, so people will call us
Americans.
Good, let's keep going. The cities are busy and crowded with people. There are many houses, shops, and businesses. The biggest city in Peru is Lima, shown above. About 1/3 of Peru's population lives in and around this busy city. Lima is the capital of Peru. All right, I'm going to erase this. So erase that, Miss Mason.
Erase that, Miss Mason.
And you're thinking in your brain, what was the
Point.
What was the
Point.
Okay, when I say go, you're going to turn and talk to your partner. You're going to think about the heading, the photographs, and the text. And you're going to say, I think the point was, but your voice has to sound like this. tracking me in 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, what was the point? Strong side of hand, you can tell me the point. If I were to use the text feature, so the heading, Deja, the photographs, the captions, the text, all of these things that we just read together and used together, what was the point? Why was the author writing about this? Keon, give it a try.
The
point is,
what things that are in Peru cities.
So the point is for me, because I'm going to make it personal, for me to learn what?
What is in Peru cities?
Okay, good. It's for me to learn more information about what is in Peru cities. Good. Or I might say Peruvian cities. That might be a little fancier. Say Peruvian cities.
Peruvian cities.
But now I need some reasons. Now I need some
reasons.
Remember, reasons is the same as saying key details. So what key details or reasons did you learn that the author gave to support their point that we wanted to learn more information about the cities of Peru? Mila, I love your strong silent hand.
Peruvians are called people.
Oh, people in Peru are called Peruvians. So smart. Say so smart.
So smart.
People in Peru are called, what are they called?
Peruvians.
Peruvians. Awesome. Let's get one more reason or key detail. You can use a photograph to get your reason or key detail, or you can use the text, or you can even use the caption. Oh, I know more people know than that. I should see more hands than that. I'm thinking, what did I learn from this page? What key detail did I learn to support the point or the main topic that the author is teaching me more about Peruvian cities? Crusaders, track Crusaders.
Another reason is that he teaches us that in Peru cities, some of them are really busy.
Oh, some cities in Peru are what?
Very busy.
Are very what?
Busy.
Are very what?
Busy.
Good. But we notice that we use the word some. Say some.
Some.
So are all of the cities in Peru busy and crowded?
No.
No, but some of them are. Your turn. You ready?
Yes.
On your own, at your table, you're going to do this very thing. You're going to have a copy of the book. No, not the whole entire book, just one page from the book. So you'll have this page, the people of Peru, and then on the back you'll see this. Your job as a reader is to do this. Touch your ears so you know what you're going to do. First, you're going to read it. First, you're going to
read it.
After you read it, you're going to think to yourself, what was the point? You'll tell me the point. You'll tell me the reasons the author gives to support that point. For 2 intelligent additions, who can tell me what we're going to do? But you got to give me the right order. Does it right. For 2 intelligent additions, what are we going to do?
You're going to read it.
Read it.
Then think for yourself, and then.
When we think, what are we thinking?
And then you're thinking what the point is.
What's the point? So I give the point, and then I have to give something else.
And then you have to give the reasons.
Awesome. Say awesome.
Awesome.
Trying to track the orange ball. Stand. 3, 2, 1. You're going to have 10 seconds, and you're going to walk to your seats. By the time I say 0, everyone's going to be sitting. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7,